Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today video we are going to be styling these joggers in a very coolest and nice way, which I'm gonna like it and I believe you guys gonna like it as well because it's a very cool jogger. So I'm gonna make it even more cooler. So my lovely people, my beautiful people, my nicest people, let's go. You guys can see the way the first outfit look. I like it with the brown sweatshirt on. I like it. It's very nice. Honestly, I can't lie, you guys. I like the way how he look. I was not even think the way he's gonna look. He look very cool with the Reebok shoes as well. That's what I put it on, and I make it even more better, more nicer. I like the vibe. I like the vibe. Please make sure you iron your sweatshirt as well in a very coolest way, in a nice way. Just 2 minutes, 3 minutes, they take you to iron your sweatshirt and your joggers as well. But please don't iron when the printing on. You don't want to mess it up, just leave it. I on the oldest clear side, so it's gonna looking really cool. I like the vibe. The vibe just cool. I like it, and it's very stylish as well. Very cool. If you wanna put durag on, that's fine. I don't know why. I'm always exciting when I get to ready to put the styling idea on. So give you guys kind of cooler styling tips, ideas. So because I know you guys gonna cool, you're gonna looking really cool, and people will give you a little compliment if you style it the way I'm styling right now. Look the color, it looking cool, looking nice, and I like the joggers as well. I was not even expecting how the joggers turn out, but it turned out very nice, and I like it as well. Very cool, very stylish as well. Again, don't forget your wristwatch, your bracelets, your ring, your necklace. You need to put it on because it's gonna make your outfit even more kind of cool, kind of stylish, kind of vibing. So I want you to do so. I can't wait. What do you guys think this way? What do you guys think with this? Does it look cool? Yes or no? Let me know. What do you think? Go to the comment section, drop your comments, and I'll be glad. I like how you look. Honestly, I like the vibe. I can't lie you. I like this color. I was not even expecting it's gonna turn out very cool, but it turned out very nice. And the joggers as well, it got its own swag as well. And I like how it turned out, everything cool, nice as well. So if you have this color of joggers, you can style it with this color of the sweatshirt as well. It's gonna be really nice, pretty cool. You see the way he look at me, and it's very nice as well, very cool, very stylish way. You can go to any where you want to go like this. You're very free, you're very cool. People will know you're kind of cool, you're stylish, and it's a street way as well. So all kind of looking well. So I like how it turned out. I can't lie, you guys. And what do you think about this? Was it all right? Yes or no? I know. What about the durag? Cool. Well, you can try it if you know how to use the durag, because sometimes the durag it gives the half a bit more better, a bit more kind of cool in a nice way. But if you don't want to rock it, if you don't want to use it, don't worry. Just adjust your hair, put all kind of nice stuff to your hair, make your hair looking nice. Then you're good to go. Then you're nice. You're looking fresh. You're looking nice. I'm giving you that confidence because look at me right now. It's looking cool. I mean, if you can do the same, then you get the confidence back and you're already confident. By you watching me right now, you already have that confidence because you're going to step out in a very stylish way, in a very coolest way. So, my lovely people, my coolest people, let's go. I like it. Okay. I can't lie, you guys. I just like the way the color look, the way it match with the joggers, and the way it's looking, the way the white make the blue feel. I like it as well. And with the Reebok white trainers as well, white and blue trainers as well. It looking nice, it looking cool. Honestly, I like the vibe. I like the vibe. And the fitting as well. Very cool, very nice as well. With the black and white, with the jacket. Honestly, you can't go no wrong. It looking cool. I like it as well. If you have this type of jacket in your wardrobe, you know you can go with this kind of joggers as well. And if you don't have these joggers, you know where I got them from? From Toho. You go and get it. And you can still check on ASOS as well if you can't find these, but similar in ASOS, so you can get them as well. I like how they look. Honestly, they're very looking nice, very looking cool. Honestly, the vibe as well. The way he's telling me, it's telling me something very nice, streetwear vibe. I like it, guys. Honestly, the wristwatch, your bracelet, you need to put it on. With the do-rag, I was thinking, does it go yes or no? Or it look cool though, but I will take the do-rag down. Then we're gonna see how it's gonna go. So let me take the do-rag down. I like the do-rag, but I don't know if it goes or no. But depend on the vibe. Sometimes you want to leave the do-rag on. Sometimes you don't want to leave it on. Sometimes you want to take it down, want to leave it. You see the way he look. I like the vibe. Let the do-rag go and rest. For now, you see, it looking cool. It looking different. It looking stylish. I like how he look. Very cool. Very cool. Honestly, this is what I told you guys. You need to adjust your hair. Put us some nice stuff to your hair, like spray. It's gonna looking really cool. Honestly, I like how my hair look as well. So your hair is gonna looking really cool as well. Just spray, put the gel on, or go and coil, go to the barber, do all kind of nice stuff to your hair, tidy it up. You're gonna looking really cool. Honestly, you're gonna nice. I like how it turned out, and the joggers, it make it look cool, and everything just amazing. I like very stylish, very nice. Honestly, you won't go no wrong. Again, I want to try the sunglasses. Let me get the sunglasses. I think it's over here. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try it on, and with the toe bag as well. So we're all gonna make it even more better, more coolest. Where is it? I lost it. Yeah, it's here. So let's see how it's gonna look. It's gonna look really cool with the sunglasses as well. And don't forget to clean your sunglasses as well. Just clean it because it's gonna be dusty or something, and you don't want it to get into your eyes like that. So I'm cleaning mine. You need to clean yours as well. So let's try it. It's gonna be cool because I believe it's gonna be nice. So let's go. Let me just put it here. So I won't be looking for you. It's just gonna be there. So what it look cool. You see what I told you guys? When you put sunglasses on, it's another different vibe, another look, another stylish vibe. It give everything like 100% like cool. Don't tell me it's not cool like this. It look cool on me, so it's gonna look cool on you. You style it this way. Honestly, I even like this vibe more. Nicer, cooler, amazing way. All kind of way you want to look. You're looking right now, and you're gonna look like that. If you use that, you have it like this. You have jacket, you have joggers, you have trainers, you have sunglasses. You're gonna look at really cool. 100%. You're gonna look at really cool. If you see you styling this way, I'm getting too much excited because I want you guys to look cool. So that's why I'm giving you these kind of tips and tricks, because you have this similar jacket and similar joggers in your wardrobe over there, and jacket again. Just why put it together? You're gonna looking really cool, really dapper, really excellent. I like how this vibe look. I can't lie, you guys. I'm getting too much excited because it's looking cool already, and I like the vibe. Honestly, it's so cool. So the last one, I'm getting too much exciting again. The last one is gonna be amazing. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be nicer. So my lovely people, my coolest people, let's move on to the last one. The last one, you guys can see the way the last one look. It's looking cool, right? I know. And that's how it's gonna looking cool on you. If you style it this way, the way I'm styling right now, I go with this jacket as well. Bomber jacket, I go from Boohoo as well. So you're gonna go and get yours as well, because it's gonna looking really cool. You can see the way I make it look nicer, cooler, vibing. I like it. I like it. Everything just looking nice. It's like they make the joggers together with the tennis jackets as well. Look at that. Look how I make it look. The color as well. It's just nice. It's just cool. Everything just match. I told you it's gonna look really nice, and even more exciting as well. The way he look with the Reebok as well. I like it. Amazing, amazing. Honestly, I like the swag. Even though, and don't forget again, you need to press the jacket. you can press it because the materials as well very soft materials, and if you don't, it's gonna be a little bit more rough. So you just have to press it. You take your low ironing, just don't put it on the maximum, put on lowest one, so you can give you a little bit more smooth, more nicer. Then you can see how clean it is. If I come closer, you can see the way he look, very smooth, very nice as well. Bless me, very looking cool. I like the way the last one look, amazing, amazing. Honestly, you can see the way he look with the tennis jacket on. I like it. It looking very nice, and the materials as well, very smooth, very nice materials as well. Only what you have to do, you press it with the iron, very low ironing, because it's gonna give you kind of smooth vibe and nice. You see the way he look. If I come closer, you can see the way he look, very smooth. I take my time and I press it with the iron. So you need to take your own time as well to press it with the iron, because you're gonna looking really cool, really nice as well. And don't forget your bracelet, your wristwatch, your ring, your necklace. You need to put it on. Will bring the outfit more. You can see the way these look with the joggers. The joggers are making even more look better. I don't even know which one to pick. The first one, the second one, the last one, because they all looking nice. And it's a streetwear vibe as well. I can't lie you. I like how they turn out. They're very looking cool. So you too, you need to make sure you look cool with this. And the way I'm making it look cool right now, you can do the same way as well, because it's looking nice on me. Why is not gonna looking cool on you? Again, I want to put the sunglasses on, because sunglasses, it give you that kind of vibe. If you don't like sunglasses, that's fine. But try it and you're gonna see how you're gonna look. So let me put mine on. You need to put yours as well on. So let's see how they're gonna look. Does it look cool? Yes, it does. I like it. I like the way it look. You're gonna looking cool as well. If you put your own sunglasses on, you're gonna look amazing. I like how they turn out. The last one is amazing. It's amazing vibe. Cool, relax, chill, all kind of nice way. I'm just getting too much exciting as well. I want to even make it even more better in a nice way, in a stylish way. Then the toe bag, you have to go. Look, you can see the way the toe bag look. You can put any stuff you want to put here. It look cool. You see the way it look? Dapper, nicer. I like it. Honestly, I can't lie. You got the last one even make it even more stylish vibe. Don't forget your necklace as well, because it will change things as well. You see how looking right now? What do you guys think? Which one do you even think you can wear? I can wear 3 of them, and you have to wear 3 of them as well, because they look cool on me. So they're gonna look really cool on you. You need to style it. I'm styling for you guys because I want you guys to be cool. I'm giving you that confidence right now, because I'm motivating you guys, because you guys got a lot of stuff in your wardrobe, the jacket, the joggers. I'm giving you kind of my own idea to make it stand out more, to give you kind of unique vibe, kind of classic, kind of cool, streetwear, all kind of nice stuff. So you need to come back for more, because there's gonna be a lot of wearing, styling, tip, hacks, all a lot of good stuff, and you're gonna see it. You're gonna be cool with that, and I want you to be cool too, because if you style it the way I'm styling right now, 100% you're gonna be received a lot of compliment, because anytime I step out, I've been receiving a lot of compliment, and I want you to join the compliment club, people. I want you, my beautiful people, to join compliment club, people, because when people see you, they're gonna be complimenting you 100%, because they will know you look cool, you look nice, you're looking chill, you're looking nicer, you're looking vibe, you're looking stylish. Then they will be asking, who is it giving you that kind of advice, that kind of tips and tricks, and you can recommend them to me, because you look cool on me like this, and you're gonna be looking really cool more than me. And they're gonna say, they're gonna smell it, they're gonna very notice about you, because look, looking cool. I can't lie, you I like the vibe. I like the vibe. Anyhow you want to pull, you just cool, you just nice as well. Look, if you don't like the toe bag before, I'm giving you that kind of confidence right now. You need to go and get your home toe bag. Then you style it the way I'm styling right now. You're gonna see people will be, oh wow, you're looking really cool, you're really nice. So you can see the way he look on me right now, dapper, nicer. So it's gonna looking really cool on you. Sorry people, I waste your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you lovely people another day. Take care.